Hey, Jeremy. Hey, buddy. Love you, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Daddy, can Daddy open this present?
He can.
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna open some too. Mommy and Daddy take turns.
Daddy, can you open your present?
In a minute, buddy. In a minute. If you want to help in just a minute, just wait, okay?
Hey, cheese.
Say, hey, Grandma.
Hey, Grandma.
You're being needy too, aren't you? Yes.
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Jules.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Muggsy. Merry Christmas, Jay. Hey, go give your mama a hug. Give your mama a hug.
Kiss too? Alright. I love you.
All right, buddy.
Merry Christmas, dear.
That's what it's all about.
I see. You got everything.
That is pretty neat, buddy. That is really neat.